So today for the pressure test, I'm making a hot butter prawns. It's like a dish that's got butter, prawns, and it's pretty hot. So today I'm making these hot butter prawns, but I've only got 30 minutes because it's a pressure test. And the reason it's a pressure test is because I've got to attend the family Zoom. I'm just running around the kitchen and then I realise this isn't even the Masterchef kitchen. This is my kitchen. And it doesn't rule. So I start off, I'm dipping the prawns into some egg white and then they're going to go into the tapioca flour. And I'm hoping that because I'm just using egg white, they're going to be nice and crispy when I put them in the fryer. And then my girlfriend, she's filming and she's like, hey, can you use the other hand so you don't block the camera? And I'm like, I've got 28 minutes to get this done. If I'm not there at the Zoom on time, my mum is going to kill me. I've got my prawns coated in the tapioca flour now. They're nice and dry. It's time to fry. I get the oil in the wok. It's hot. I get some a wooden chopstick and I put that into the wok. And when the bubbles start to show, it means it's time to fry. You okay? I don't know what's going on. There must be some sort of water in there. It's not dry enough. It pops, and it's hot oil now spraying on my girlfriend while she's trying to film me make this silly cooking video. Okay, so at this point, I've got the prawns in the wok. They're frying in the oil. They're crisping up, and my girlfriend, she's got an ice pack on her face. And the ambulance is on its way, and I just feel like it's all coming together. Okay, so I'm ready to take the prawns out, and they look amazing. Seriously, they look so good, so crunchy, so crispy, and you know what? It's all coming together. I've just got to make a sauce now, toss it all together, and I think I'm going to be on time for the family Zoom. This is kind of cheeky, but I've put together this sauce, right, of like Shaoshing wine, soy sauce and sugar, but I've mixed it together in my girlfriend's favourite teacup, and oops, and I don't even know why she likes this thing, you know, it's got mandalas on it. Like, I'll just get you a colouring book. So I'm getting my butter ready, and I'm just thinking to myself, oh my god, that is a lot of butter. That's a lot of butter. Can I get back to making the dish? These things are actually quite annoying. So first I'm in with the onion, garlic and chilli, and I'm just mixing that around in the butter. I'm just going to infuse those flavours into the butter. This whole process is going to be really quick, which is great because the most stressful thing about this pressure test is that I set up the Zoom. Next go in the curry leaves. If I'm not there, they're all going to be waiting for the host to let them in. Now I'm ready for the turmeric and the chili powder to go in. As they say in The Sopranos, oh my god, this is smelling amazing. It's time for the prawns to go in and we're going to bring this puppy home. prawns are in, I grab my girlfriend's favourite teacup, I throw the sauce in, and it's time to toss the prawns. Final step, throw in some desiccated coconut, give the prawns a final toss. That's it. Voila! I've done it. I've beaten the pressure test. That was one of the toughest cooking challenges of my life, and I'm really proud. And it doesn't matter that I had the time wrong for the family soon. It was 8 p.m. London time.